Here's our new resort, Sol Arona. It's a big, big building. And this is what you see when you enter our hotel. You may wonder if we have booked a retirement home. Well, we're about to find out. The lobby is pretty inviting. Big area. So check in. There's Lanette, wondering what the heck I'm doing. Working on some video again. Oh yeah, here you can pay to weigh your suitcases. Pretty interesting.
Welcome to our new casa.
So we're gonna stay in Los Cristianos, believe it or not, for 9 days. And yeah, we got a pretty nice view here. Got ocean view. And down there is the little harbor. And that first beach I showed in another video earlier. All right, and we do have a bathroom, but I'm not as excited about this one as I was the last one. I was a little overly excited. I almost sounded ridiculous. But anyway, this is plenty. Our room on the ship will be a lot smaller, so we'll enjoy this for now. So we got the all-inclusive package at this new resort we're staying at, and the spread here is phenomenal compared to what we just saw at our previous hotel. What they're offering is way more. And this is just a lunch buffet we just caught here. And you can ask them to cook that fish or make you a burger or chicken breast or even pork loin. This food is so ridiculously much better than what we just had in our last hotel. It's unbelievable. Had lunch in here, and that's a good spread. Got a nice sitting area right here by the lobby. Check-in is over at the right over there. But now we're gonna go check out the pool area. We're just getting acquainted with this place right now, and I see where the Blanco Bar is. It's past the mini golf apparently, and yeah, here we go. And there, it's magic. It's the Blanco Bar. We found it. Let's see what they got here. So here at the pool bar, we got our vodka, and we had to put our own Sprite in there, the zero. But here you can also just pour your own beer, wine, whatever you want. You got the cups right there. Pretty simple. We can get used to this. Lanette's busy researching something. They got a pretty cool bar area here. I mean, pool area. I realize this is a 15-story hotel. We're on the 14th floor. And they're now gonna have a water polo tournament here. It's way more livelier than our other resort. So here we are. Now we've had both lunch and dinner at our place.
And we're very happy with it.
We're very happy with the food. It was fantastic. It was so much better than the other resort we're at. It's unbelievable. And we actually have live entertainment down here. We're on the 14th floor, so we're quite ways up, but yeah. And there are kids here, as you can hear, but that's all right, because they're gonna go to sleep soon. Okay, that's the nighttime take on this place.
Come on, Johan.
All right, let's go for a ride.